Debunking common area maintenance myths. Today, we got some crucial information that you need to know as corporate tenants. We're going to debunk some common myths about common area maintenance, or CAM, and how it impacts your bottom line and overall satisfaction as a tenant. So let's dive right in. Myth number 1, CAM expenses can only cover maintenance and cleaning. First up, let's clear the air about CAM expenses. It's not just about maintenance and cleaning. It covers a wide range of services from parking lot maintenance and landscaping to hallways, elevators, and even common area utilities. So it's essential to understand what's included in your CAM fees. Myth number 2, CAM and operating expenses are the same. Now let's differentiate CAM from operating expenses. Operating expenses cover the building's overall operations, including utilities, repairs, insurance, and more. On the other hand, CAM applies specifically to shared common spaces, so they are not the same thing. Myth number 3, common area charges are the landlord's responsibility. Here's the truth, it depends on your leasing type. In a triple net lease, tenants are directly responsible for CAM charges, while in a full service lease, CAM charges are typically included in the overall rent, and the landlord covers those fees. Myth number 4, all tenants in multi-tenant buildings pay the same CAM. Not true. To determine your CAM payment, landlords calculate your pro-rata share based on the proportion of space you occupy in the building. This ensures fairness in cost allocation. Each tenant contributes based on the percentage of the building that they occupy. Myth number 5, CAM charges are fixed throughout the lease's lifespan. CAM charges are usually calculated using a base year approach. Therefore, CAM charges typically go up with inflation. There is a big caveat here though. If you engage a true tenant rep to handle your lease negotiations, there is a good chance that they negotiated the limits of how much can go up in their lease. Myth number 6, tenants have no control over CAM budgets. Corporate tenants, you have the power to influence budget decisions. Engaging in constructive dialogue with your landlord and requesting transparency in CAM calculations can protect your interest and even set a cap on CAM charges. Myth number 7, tenant representation doesn't make a difference in negotiating CAM. Oh, but it does. Working with a true tenant rep can be a game changer. They're industry experts who understand CAM provisions, potential pitfalls, and can secure you the best deal. With their help, you can potentially save on CAM charges and negotiate safeguards. Alright executives, it's time to take action. If you want to optimize your office space, understand CAM fees, and gain more control over your leases, head on over to our Learning Center. There, you'll find blogs, articles, videos, and online courses that will empower you with the knowledge about corporate real estate and the benefits of tenant representation. Are you ready to take the next step? Schedule an exploratory call with us or contact us by email. Remember, we work under NDA, and for our exclusive clients, we even have a corporate jet to tour you to multiple sites, so don't hesitate to reach out to us today. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay savvy with I Optimize Realty. Have a good one.